We're going to start to do a light bounce. So I'll show it to you from the side, folding from the hips, and just bouncing a little bit this way. Yeah? Just make sure that you're not thrusting your pelvis forward. We do not want this. This is not the movement, okay? I suggest you do this in front of the mirror first. Just make sure you are doing this if you're not sure. If you're sure, absolutely fine. Just do it with me continuously. And of course, you're doing it from the hip joints, not the knee. So don't push the knee forward. Not like that, yeah? Not like that. It's this, folding it. Okay? Good. And keep going. Just bounce. You will know you're doing it right if you're not feeling anything in your knees or your lower back. Have your arms swing freely. It should actually be natural. It will move a little bit because you're bouncing. Bounce, 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 and bounce. Now, bigger stance here. Wider than hip width apart. Bounce, 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 bounce. A few more times. You can do this as much as you can, yeah? As many times as you like. Just do 4 more together here. 4, 3, 2, 1. And why do we need to do this? Because we want to prepare the body for the next round of movement, which is spine and pelvic mobility. So I'll show it to you from the side. Stand with your legs hip width apart, okay? When you're ready, bring your pelvis forward, bounce, bounce, and bring the pelvis back. Bounce, bounce, pelvis forward, bounce, bounce, pelvis back. Again, bounce, bounce, forward, bounce, bounce, back. Bounce, bounce, forward, bounce, bounce, back. Again, bounce, bounce, forward, bounce, bounce, back. Let's do 3 more sets. Bounce, bounce, forward, bounce, bounce, back. Last one. And from here, we're going to start to move forward, back, and come back with straight legs. So bring forward naturally. As your pelvis go forward, you will bend the knee a little bit. And keep bending your knees. Bring your pelvis back. And then bringing it straight up. So essentially, you'll be doing something like this. I'll cross my arms behind just so that you can see my pelvis better. It is this movement, yeah? So it's starting to look circular. And that's what we want. Front, down, back, and up. This way. So it's really important to be able to move our pelvis in a circular motion. Because this way, we are going through its range here as much as we can from front to back and back to front. Speaking of which, let's reverse. Pelvis back, front and up. And one more. Come back up here. Okay. You can just do a little bit of this to shake it off a bit. And now we're going to start to integrate the spine. So from the pelvic movement, bring your pelvis back, front and up. As you go up, arch the spine a little bit before you go down. Pelvic front again. This time, instead of coming straight up, arch the spine before you bring it back straight here. If you find this complicated, no problem. You know what? It's your body, your movement experience. Just do what it feels like at this point, because coming to full body mobility takes time. And of course, if you have tightness in the joints, we need to release the joints first. And we'll do what it can. Gradually, we'll release the tightness to let the mobility moves come to a fuller expression. So back, down, front, arching, coming back, up to go back, front, arching, and up again. You will find that you're bending your knees deeper now. Why not? Because it helps to bring the pelvis forward more, arch more, come back straight before we go again. Breathe, because you'll find that you need to catch your breath a little bit, yeah? Breath facilitates movement. Let's do 4 more. Okay, slowly come to a stop here. And that is all I have for this time. If you're still with me, thank you so much. Thank you for your participation, for your viewership. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Like and subscribe because I would really appreciate your help to help me grow this small channel. With that said, keep moving, keep getting better because that's how the body is. That's how the body loves to work. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.